Good morning, everybody. It is a new and lovely day. I hope you all have a blessed day. All right, so we're gonna have kind of a busy day, doctor's appointments, errands, that kind of stuff. So I am hoping my body holds up because yesterday was tough. Didn't get much sleep last night, but I am trying to force the bright and shiny and fake it till you make it. So let's do it. Breakfast. This is the last of my egg loaf. I'm gonna have to make some more. I did a piece of turkey sausage in the middle, and I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little drizzle of this syrup on it and make it kind of like a McGriddle, and then my bulletproof coffee. Get the day started. Let's go. Alright, soccer is pretty much our life. Can you see this? I'll zoom in. Look at that turtle with the soccer ball. That is so cute. I love it. I kind of want to sit here and wait on her to come out and ask where that is from. Love that little turtle. Hobby Lobby. Gotta do some returns. I'm gonna go look at some fall stuff. I'm at Hobby Lobby killing a little bit of time between appointments, y'all. How cute are these? I might have to come back and get some. These are so cute. Oh, all the ideas. Oh, I love these pillows. They could be good for the couch for fall. Love this sign. Front door hangers. All the ideas, y'all. And then we are one aisle over. Christmas everywhere. I'm so not ready for that. I'm ready for pumpkin spice everything. Not Christmas. Not yet. Hey y'all, sorry for the air conditioning noise. Hope it's not too loud, but I love y'all, but I need my air conditioning. It is 97 degrees this morning. It's about, I guess it's afternoon, 1 o'clock. Just got out of Hobby Lobby, took my son to the doctor, and he was considered a new patient, even though he's been there since he's a newborn, because he's 16 and he hasn't been sick in the last 3 years, and so I haven't taken him. So he's officially a new patient, so we had to fill out all the paperwork. I filled out paperwork until our appointment was already over, and it was crazy. Anyways, that was good. He just needed to go for a little checkup. We probably should have been in once a year for a checkup, but it didn't happen. What you gonna do? All right, now I am headed home. I'm gonna pick up my daughter. We are going to go get our hair cut, and I will show you how pretty it is. It never looks as good as it does when you leave there, so I'm excited about that. I haven't had a haircut in a long time. I'm really bad about getting regular haircuts. Oh, and the eyebrows. I don't know. Can you see it's kind of scabbing up a little bit in some places? I don't know if you can see that or not. Wow, that's really close in my eyes. Sorry if that was too close. Just wanted you to get to see the eyebrows. Okay, we are on the way to get my hair cut, and then we may do shopping after that. She's driving, so yeah, come with us. So we just got our hair did. I always love when she does my hair. I can never, even with a straightener, I can never make it look like she makes it look. I need her to just move in with me. And my hairdresser, we should have vlogged in there. She's doing keto also, and she's been doing it for a year and a half, so I can definitely learn from her. I'm super glad that I have another resource that I can reach out to. And here's Caroline. She got her hair all prettified too. She cut about 3 inches. Yeah. Oh, what are we gonna do now?
We are now going to go shopping for back to school clothes.
Yes.
Somewhere.
Back to school shopping, part 1. Here we go. And weekend shopping part 2, TJ Maxx. Hopefully we'll have a little more success, but we will share everything we get later. You ready, girl?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
This looks like something you would have a baby wear, like a tiny version, and then this looks like a Halloween costume.
All right, we did find some belts though, and one shirt so far, so.
Everything's crop tops. You can't buy anything.
Yeah,
dress code.
I know. Dress code and what you can find in stores don't match. Yeah. Fall stuff. This is really cute right here. I like this little pumpkin. Oh, these are cute. My favorite part of the store. Oh, I like this. Already done. Super cute. Alright, this coffee nice. Alright, we are back home and Caroline's gonna show us her haul.
Okay.
This was TJ Maxx, and where else did we go?
Kohl's.
Kohl's. All right, what did you get from Kohl's?
Kohl's. I got this little blue teal, sea green, I don't know.
Yeah.
This shirt, it has lace up
Yeah,
by
that's
the
cute.
shoulders, which I'm hoping will count as dress code. Then I got this dress.
It's pretty. That color is really
Color.
pretty on you too.
Yeah. That. I got, what's this? Yeah, I got a Carolina shirt because my current one doesn't fit very well. And
That's cute.
It's cute and soft. I got this, one of these t-shirt dresses.
I really like that.
And then I like it, but I don't like it being so loose fitting. That's not usually my style of dresses. So we got some belts from TJ Maxx.
Yeah, we're gonna try those on with the dress and figure out what works.
We don't know which one we want, so we just got a ton.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. That's what returns are for.
Yeah. And then I got this sweater because I got a lot of are they called bodycon dresses?
Sure. Tight fitting dresses.
There you go, tight fitting dresses, and I don't like to wear them just like that, so I got a sweater.
Yeah, and it's super soft.
And then from TJ Maxx we got this blue shirt. It's kind of see-through, but it'll be okay.
We can always put a tank on it, under it if we need to.
And then we got a lunchbox because school.
We always need it.
I got these espresso beans because they're tasty and they're super good. We got these for school. They're chocolate covered blueberries for snacks and stuff.
Yep, for lunch boxes.
My mother
And I got some oh, I'm
tea.
excited to try. This is coffee.
Oh,
Mexican
coffee?
cinnamon coffee, Jackson. We have got to try it.
My
now.
family loves cinnamon coffee stuff. I got this little candle. It's just blue, fits with the color scheme. It smells really good too.
Yeah, that'll be cute in her room. And
got
so will this. Look how
This
cute.
little llama.
Oh my gosh.
Because I got a couple other, what are these called, succulents?
Yeah.
And so I saw this one, I was like, oh,
I know,
it's so
that's
cute,
gonna
it's a
be
little llama.
so cute in your room.
And then I got these just face wipes
Yeah.
because everyone needs face wipes.
So, yeah.
Makeup removers.
Good haul. All right, so we were supposed to be there for clothes. We got a little bit of clothes, but I think we got a lot of stuff that's not clothes, but that's all right. She talked me into it. It's not too hard to twist my arm, unfortunately. We had fun.
It's not. She will do anything I say, basically.
That's not true. Oh my goodness, good afternoon. I hope everybody's having a great day. You having a great day? I hope so. Oh gosh. Y'all, I have this little hair back here. My hair's all perfectly straightened. This one sticking out the wrong way. My curly trying to get out, trying to break out. All right, so eyebrows. That's why we're in here in the bathroom. I'm not seeing my eyebrows, y'all, because all I can see is the huge dark circles under my eyes. Humongous dark circles under my eyes from not sleeping. Wow. Okay, well anyways, eyebrows. They're kind of scabbing over. And They look, I mean, on the camera, it seems like they're kind of looking the same every day, so I might just stop talking about them unless there's something new that I can show y'all. But they're kind of scabbing in a couple little spots, and I'm applying my beeswax shea butter balm all the freaking time. Apply and apply, apply. I'm putting this stuff, I'm gonna do it right now. I put this stuff on just like this, so it's in this like chapstick kind of thing, and you just put it over your eyebrows. She said to do it twice a day. I'm doing it like 4 times a day. I don't want it drying out. I don't want anything bad happening. These things cost some moolah, but it's worth it because I don't want to have to paint them on every day, and even when I don't have a lot of makeup, my face automatically looks better if I have eyebrows. So I'm gonna have eyebrows, and it was worth it. I almost talked myself out of it, and I'm so glad I didn't. So if you thought about doing microblading, I highly suggest it. And what else was I gonna talk about? Oh, I have some really sad news, like super sad. All right, these are 2 of my favorite necklaces. And they got intertwined, and I cannot figure out how to get them separated. Cannot figure it out. This is something my husband got me for our anniversary from Tiffany's. It's when I wear it all the time. And then this is one of my favorites to put on with like what I'm wearing today. I went to put it on this morning, and it was somehow attached to this, and when I pulled it, somehow they like spun around each other. I don't know how to get it off without breaking one or the other, and they're 2 of my favorites. I'm super sad. I know I don't have very many viewers yet, but if any of my viewers have a clue how I could go about this without breaking one or the other, obviously this one's more important because it's from my hubby and because it's from Tiffany's. This one I just really like, so I don't know what to do, but I don't want to lose either of them, so we've got to figure that out. Okay, I am also stalling because I have to go cook dinner, and I don't really feel like it. Don't feel like it. Okay, y'all, I am gonna go make dinner. It is that time of night. It's almost 7 o'clock, and I don't really like to eat this late, but we got home from shopping and needed a break. Mama needed a break. So I took a break and started watching YouTube and got sucked in. So I need to feed my family. Probably. They probably want to eat tonight. So I am making shrimp with Jamaican jerk seasoning, and it is going to be so yummy, and I can't wait to eat it. So let's go cook. I just wanted to kind of do a wrap up. So, washed my face off already. If I'd thought about it, I would not have done that until after I did this, but it is what it is. This is me. Anyways, I had egg loaf with a turkey sausage and a little bit of the Chalk Zero syrup, and that was like a McGriddle. It tasted like a McGriddle. Like, it was so good. I'm going to be having that again tomorrow. Lunch didn't really happen because of how the day was going. So I had the bar in my bag. Oh, I can't talk tonight. Ugh. I had a bar in my bag. There we go. Good job, Erica. So I had that. It's like a 200 calorie, I think 3 carb, maybe 2 carb bar. And I'm totally blanking on the name, but I'll insert a picture. This is my favorite bar right now. It's like the Power Crunch bars that I love, but way, way better carb count, and it tastes exactly the same to me. I've only had one flavor of it, this peanut butter, but I really like it. And then for dinner, we are just kind of doing a hodgepodge thing, and the kids are gonna have not PF Chang's, Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh, get it together, Erica. Trader Joe's orange chicken, which I'm sure pretty much all of you have tried. It's so yummy. It's hard for me to stay away from, but I will. And they're having that with rice, and I am going to have, actually already had 2 hot dogs wrapped in fathead dough, just a little bit, if not completely engulfed, but I'll insert a picture here also to show you what those look like. And I had 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds with that, and now I'm having my coffee with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I cannot talk. 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and I put a little bit of stevia in it, and I did 1 scoop of Vital Proteins because my protein's been low this week, so I added a scoop of that, and that'll give me a little bit of protein and collagen. So that is a wrap for the night. I'm not planning on having anything else other than maybe a little more water. I've only had 3 of my 24-ounce waters today, and I like to do 4 as my goal. 5 is awesome, but 4 is my goal, and I don't know if I'll get another one in or not. I'm gonna try maybe at least half after this coffee. Good night, peeps, as Schwig would say. I love saying that. I love her name and I love watching her. She probably doesn't know who I am, but if you do, peace out, peeps.